Hi there everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today we are going to learn about how to download CapCut, a video editor from the mobile phone. It's a very easy task. It can be used in Android or iOS. Nowadays, many kinds of edits are done through CapCut. It's a very useful editor software. So to download CapCut, we have to go to the App Store. Here you can see the App Store. Just click here, and after that we can see a search option. Here we can search and name CapCut. CapCut. Just press get. So the download has started. We can see it's moving. It's a very useful app and very much convenient. Anyone can use it. It's not a pro version, it's a normal version. In YouTube nowadays, YouTubers are using this app to get their content done. Okay. So after the downloading part, it will be easy to run the CapCut. Okay, amazing. It has been downloaded. Just press open after download. See, it's a very, and give the allow section, allow, agree and done. See, it's a very easy task. Anyone can do it. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.